MHC Kenworth Nashville. For your consideration, this is a 2014 Hino 268A with a 220 horsepower engine coupled to an automatic Allison transmission. The truck sits atop a Reyco spring suspension and only has 185,000 miles on the odometer. On the back is a 26-foot Morgan body with roll-up door, liftgate, and ramp. This has been a very nice lease-maintained box truck with DPF Cleaned at 168,000 miles. Warranty options and financing specials are available for this rig. Get your hands on this truck today at MHC Kenworth Nashville. We're ready to roll with you.